Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Hello viewers, welcome once again to my channel. My name is Muhammad Atiq Anwar and you're watching my channel Muhammad Atiq Anwar and Education for Us All. Welcome to this segment which is called Cooking Made Simple, and today's recipe is a very simple recipe, a very quick snack that I saw a friend making at university. So I've told the family about it and they've been making it ever since. So ingredients, there are two ways of making it. So in one of the options we need an egg, which I will explain later. We have some potatoes. I've already boiled these, so they're about 40% cooked, and we need some onions. So you can either have smaller rings, or you can put the whole thing on if you so wish. Okay, so we obviously need some oil. We need some cheese and a sauce of your choice. Over here we have my wonderful double pan, as they call it. So as you can see, there's a surface there, and then there's also this lid that goes on like that. And the idea is that when you need to cook both sides, you're able to flip it over like that. But if you don't have one of these, of course you can use another dish. So we will explain that later. So the thing to do is, first of all, can we have some oil in there? Okay, let that warm up. Okay, a little bit of oil. Okay, so leave that to warm. Okay, so the oil is nicely warmed up, viewers. So what we do is put as many slices of potatoes as we like. Can we have some more on there?
More. Is that okay?
Okay, so that's cooking away nicely, and of course we forgot the spices. We're only going to put salt and pepper on this, but if you want to put chilies on, that's fine. This is going to be for children to eat as well. So salt and pepper on there as per taste. A bit of salt, please. So salt per taste. Okay, I think that's sufficient. Okay, so then we need to add some cheese on there, please.
Cheese.
It's entirely up to you. I think that's sufficient. Some on this side. Okay, we're just going to let that melt a little bit. Okay, that's starting to melt now. Can we put the onions on there, please?
Onions.
Okay, and we're going to shut that for a little bit so that it cooks a bit quicker. So, if you've got a lid, and obviously you put the lid on, but we have this. Okay, the onions have softened a little bit. Can we have a layer of potatoes on there, please? And a final layer of cheese on there, please. Okay, and we're going to put the lid on once again so that it melts a little bit. Okay, it's cooking away nicely. So what we need to do now is to flip it over. So we have this pan that's easy to do, but if you don't, then you can put a plate over it and flip it over. So obviously we need to grease this a little bit. So we're going to use this kitchen towel and grease that. Bring that right down, okay, and flip it over to the other side. Okay, so as you can see, we had a bit of burning there as well, so that's because there was oil on the other side. Okay, we'll let it cook now. Okay, we managed to avoid a little accident there. We managed to spill some oil on, that's why there was a flame. Okay, so once that's been cooked, then you need to put it on the other side once again. Okay, so this is the deeper side. So as you can see, viewers, it has cooked, in fact burnt in certain places, and there's just one more ingredient to add, and that's the egg on top of that. Okay, and we're going to let that cook for around about 3 to 4 minutes. So there is our final product. So I do assure you that there's no damage done, we just burnt a little bit of oil. So can we put that into the plate, please? And there we have our final finished product, viewers. Crispy cheesy potato we call it. Okay, so let's have a taste, if I could get it. Okay, that's what it should look like. Yeah, that is very nice. Okay, viewers, I do thank you for watching. Please keep watching. Okay, and if you were alarmed by the little accident that we had, please don't be, because we turned everything off very quickly and everything is okay. So I do hope you'll try my recipe. I hope you don't have the little accident that we had. So until the next time, I say thank you for watching. Please keep watching. Look after yourselves, look after others, अपना ख्याल रखना, दूसरों का ख्याल रखना, दुआओं में याद रखना। अल्लाह हाफिज़।